Hello, good evening, viewers. In this video, I'm going to show us how to run the Evmo testnet. Okay, in just few minutes, we're done. So to get started, you just need to make sure you have this following information. These links are very important. Okay, first, make sure you have the network. Okay, the Evmo testnet network on your embedded. Should I say installed? Okay, in your MetaMask. So make sure you add this Evmo testnet to MetaMask. My MetaMask, I think I have Evmos testnet in my MetaMask. Okay, so this is it. Evmos testnet is there, so you can do that. If you don't know how to add the testnet, you can watch a video. Maybe in the YouTube channel, you should see a tutorial on how to do that. Okay, just go to our playlist. Okay, videos of playlist. You should see introduction to testnet. So this video, you can just click on this video to learn how to add chains. Okay, how to add network to your um MetaMask. So let's just get started. So the first thing you need to do is to click on this Evmos swap of the website. So this is the website, Evmos testnet website. Then you connect your wallet. Always remember to connect your wallet. I'm going to click on connect wallet to select MetaMask. If you're using QE browser, always check your notification. Okay, the tabs before, after, other tabs. So I'm connecting to my third wallet. Okay, then I'll click on connect. Then connect wallet. So I've successfully connected to this wallet. So the next thing I'll do now is to claim faucet. Okay, if you check this announcement, you see link or links you can claim the Evmos. Okay, which is the Evmos faucet. So you can either click on this link to claim, or you go back to the same swap, and under the swap you see the faucet. So once you click on the faucet section, so let me open it in a new tab. Okay, once you click on the faucet section, you see something like this, a window like this. Then you see the get Evmos. Okay, that's Evmos. If I click on this, to take me back to bring me back to this faucet Evmos. Okay, which is the same link address to what you're seeing here. This other address, it is the same link address to this address. So I'm going to go back to the this address. Sorry, this Evmos to claim. So open your MetaMask, copy your MetaMask address, then come back to this section. Enable the robot. I'm not a robot box. So bicycle. I'm going to select bicycles. Okay, and verify. Then you paste your Evmos address here. Then you request for fund. So sometimes you get an error message trying to claim fund, where you just keep trying it. Okay, then you get the fund. So I've claimed my faucet now. So that's my Evmos faucet. I'll close and go back to my faucet. Okay, list of other faucets. And after claiming that one, you need two other faucets to claim, which is the USDC and the USDT. And I'll tell you the reason why I want to also claim these two. Okay, we don't need the DAI and the rest of them. So I'm going to claim USDT first. So click on USDT, then it will pop up in your MetaMask, then you approve transaction. So I'll scroll down and confirm, then you wait for swap. You should get a notification message. Okay, pop up notification message here that you've claimed USDT. So the next one we'll claim now is USDC. Although I have a pending transaction, okay, claiming the USDT and USDC, or USDT rather. So I'll confirm. So I've succeeded in claiming these two faucets, which is okay. I've been sent USDT. So you can take a MetaMask for looking to claim. So under this of asset, you should see only have Testnet. Okay, Testnet. I'll show you how to add this asset here, so claim this whole Testnet stuff. So I've gotten USDT too. So you close this page, or instead of closing the page, you can navigate to your swap. Okay, because we need to swap. So I'm back to the swap. Sorry, I'm back to the swap page. So under the swap page, the next you do is to swap. Now you need to swap USDT. Okay, now these are the tax. Now we are doing the tax. So I have 1.7 Evmos, so I'm going to swap. You can click this button to switch between USDT and Evmos. So I can put USDT here. Type, okay, this is my USDT. I'm switching USDT. So I'll swap my USDT to get Evmos. So I'm going to select maximum. So I'm really adding this whole USDT, 1000 USDT, and swapping everything. So I'm going to click on approve USDT to get this Evmos. Okay. So I'll click approve. So you confirm. So it's approving the USDT before swap. Okay, you approve the token before swap. All right, approve USDT. So we now need to swap. I'll click on swap. Confirm swap. Okay, you confirm. Okay, now that we've done that, so I can add Evmos to my MetaMask. So click on add to add this to our MetaMask. Now we're adding this. Now you will now see this Evmos among the list of assets you have in MetaMask. Okay, that's what you're trying to do. So each transaction you see, if it is USDT, you can add USDT to view it in your MetaMask. If it's USDC, if it is wrap Evmos, whichever one, so just add this token. So it's actually my MetaMask device. We check my MetaMask. So I've done that, added already. So I'm going to close this page. Then I'll swap back, okay, to get my USDT. So I want to get my USDT back. So 1000 USDT. So you change position Evmos to get 1000 USDT. Then you now swap, confirm swap.
Alright, so after swapping, you confirm with the transaction to process. Okay, after processing transaction, you just wait. Keep waiting, you confirm. Okay, you add USDT to your MetaMask if you want to. So I'll close. Then we'll confirm. Okay. So we've added USDT to our MetaMask now among the list of assets. So the next thing we do now is to now provide liquidity. So we need to provide liquidity. So okay, and you must provide liquidity with the asset you're swapping with. Okay, so I'm using USDT against Evmos, so I'm gonna click I'm gonna put, how much am I gonna put? Let's say 600. No, okay. Maximum, no. Okay, we're providing maximum if you want to. So I'll click on maximum, which is 1000. Then I'll now proceed to confirm add liquidity. So once you click, you wait for transaction to process. Okay, and another thing I want us to take notice, sometimes while providing liquidity you might encounter one or two error. Yes, it's possible you encounter one or two error, and this error is as a result of you not adjusting your slippage. Okay, so take note of it. Sorry about this page. Okay, so don't mind my fingers on the keyboard. Okay, so let's go back. So now, like I was saying, make sure you take note of the slippage. Okay, it is very, very important to take note of the slippage. So I will show you how to adjust the slippage. That is after you encounter one or two error. So I just don't want to jump into the slippage for now. Okay, until you kind of witness one or two errors box while providing liquidity. Okay, so let's try it now. Confirm deposit. Wait for transaction to process. Confirm. Okay, transaction submitted. We'll close the window. Then let's wait. Okay, we're supposed to go to pool, so we're supposed to remove liquidity, but let's see something. Okay, so let's see if our balance will be deducted. I'm sure we might encounter one or two error message here, so let's just see. We'll get an error notification. Don't worry. You see, add whatever amount Evmos and it's not successful. That's why you're seeing that error message there. So I'll go and adjust my slippage now. So in case you encounter errors like this, you need to adjust your slippage. So I'm going to put in 2 first. Sometimes you add 2 and you don't get it, doesn't work. So you have to, once you add 2, 3 and it doesn't work, you keep increasing your slippage till you get what you're looking for. So let's confirm this transaction and see if the 2 we used as liquidity, as slippage, is going to work, but I doubt. Okay, in some cases it works. Okay, so let's see if it will work. Okay, the same error message. So let's adjust the liquidity to 5, the slippage to 5. This time around I'm 100% sure it's gonna work. So maximum, confirm liquidity. Let's confirm add liquidity, and this time around it's going to work. I'm very sure about it, so let's wait. Alright, confirm. Okay. Alright, now we got a success message. So now that we're done with the liquidity, the next thing now in our item is to remove liquidity. So we're going to remove 50% of the liquidity provided. Then you approve before you remove. So let's approve the transaction. Wait for transaction to process, sign. After sign, then you now remove. So confirm and wait for transaction to process. Confirm. Okay. Alright, I think we've removed liquidity, so we are okay. Now, okay, look at the close we added. That's under the pool. Now we are going to yield. So we'll click on yield. Now in this yield, we need to deposit Evmos and Evmos. Remember why I said we should claim both USDC and USDT. This is the stage where we need the USDC we also claimed alongside the USDT we claimed. So as you can see, we need Evmos and wrap Evmos. So and the only way you can get this before you stake is to go back to our swap and then convert some amount of our USDC to get Evmos. So I have USDC. I'm going to click here, select USDC. I think we have 1000 USDC here. So I'm going to click on USDC. Then we'll split it into two parts. We'll go for the Evmos, and the other will go for the wrap Evmos. Okay, so USDC against Evmos. So I'm going to put in 500. So let's go back to yield. So we need Evmos and Evmos. So okay, so we want to swap. So okay, so you check our balance, we have 000. Let's close and go back to our swap. So USDC this time around, select USDC. Then after selecting USDC, enter 500. Then you approve USDC. Then after approving, then you confirm on your MetaMask. Confirm. After confirming, go the owner swap. Owner click to swap. Okay. Okay. Wait for transaction to process as usual. Confirm. Alright, now we'll get a success message. They will now proceed to the wrap Evmos. So select wrap Evmos, then I'll swap the remaining balance of 500. Then I'll click on swap. Confirm swap. Wait for transaction to process. Under the MetaMask, you scroll again and you confirm. Now that we're done with swapping our USDC to get both the Evmos and the wrap Evmos, we'll now go back to the yield. Okay, success. Let's go back to our yield. Then click on the Evmos. Okay, then good. We'll now use maximum here. Okay, we'll select maximum. Okay, then we approve both the Evmos and the wrap Evmos. We need to approve, so you can use maximum either from the top or from the one under, but it's advisable and I suggest you use the one under. So let's try the one at the top and see if we'll get a success, or should I say a complete transaction here, but I doubt. Okay, so let's confirm first. We are trying to approve. Let's approve both the Evmos and also the wrap Evmos. So we are approving the both of them at the same time. So let's approve. So we scroll down, confirm. So if you're using QA browser, always remember to check your tab, okay, for notification, for pop-up notification, for it to have a smooth transaction. So now I proved that, but we've not swapped. Okay, let me close the window first. Okay, and let's click again, check our yield, then check staking. We'll check the staking. Okay, but actually the transaction is not fully completed. If I click on maximum, I'm getting 0. Why? Because I've not actually done the right thing. Okay, when I'm providing liquidity, we need a minimum. The maximum option which we're supposed to select is not the Evmos, but rather the wrap Evmos. So I selected that of the Evmos, so we are unable to swap or see our balance. So I will not click on the maximum of, sorry, I would rather click the maximum of the wrap Evmos for us to have a good transaction. So as it is, okay, I'll click on this now. Alright, before we confirm adding liquidity. Okay, so if I should click on the first one, it's not going to work like I did. So if I click on confirm now, we are adding liquidity of both Evmos and wrap, sorry, Evmos and wrap Evmos. So we'll confirm. After confirming, we'll not confirm deposit. Okay, we confirm the deposit. Okay, they will close. Deposit confirmed, transaction completed. So let's just close. And once you're done with this part, you're done with the whole testnet exercise. Okay, so I'm gonna go to staking now. Under the staking, I'm now selling maximum now. So we have the maximum of both. This maximum, we're talking about the combination of the wrap Evmos and the Evmos together. So approve this transaction. We wait for transaction to complete the process. Then you approve. Let's confirm. Then I will confirm deposit. Then we'll go to MetaMask. We'll confirm this transaction. Now it's depositing. Deposit is completed. So that is all about the Evmos or Evmos swap testnet. Okay, so for now we don't have any reward because we just staked. So that's where you see your reward. Okay, over time, if you come back tomorrow or next tomorrow, you should start seeing some earnings. Okay, and the reward there will always be in Evmos. Okay, you get a reward in Evmos. So that's all. I think we are done with this whole process. If you like this video, do not forget to like. If you enjoyed the video, rather, do not forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends, and join both our Telegram and our WhatsApp group. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. So this is just a summary of everything we did. We swapped, we provided liquidity, that is farming, and did all this. We staked, we clicked the maximum, then you check your reward. Alright, thanks for watching. Goodbye.